southwestern Sheboygan County in east central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south central Wisconsin,
Wow!
eastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, southeastern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, northern Ozaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, northwestern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 11:45 p.m. At 8:46 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Menominee Falls, West Bend, Watertown, Mequon, Whitewater, Hartford, Stoughton, Fort Atkinson, Sussex, Heartland, Jefferson, Delafield, Jackson, Lake Mills, Edgerton, Mayville, Slinger, Soapville, Key Wascom, and Horicon. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. This is NOAA Weather Radio.